Here we have the Anomaly 84, so the narrowest of the new Blizzard Anomaly series, replacing the outgoing Brahma 82. I think the changes that they've made, like the tweaks that they've made into the new Anomaly series, are sort of interesting, and I think they're good for the right type of skier. So the Brahma 82 outgoing, probably the strongest ski in its class, really required an expert skier to be able to handle. New Anomaly 84 still has a lot of that strength, but not all of it. So sort of much more tailored towards sort of more intermediate advanced skiers, and you can definitely get it a bit more off piste without having just absolutely perfect technique. So yeah, just a little bit more forgiving, a little bit more rocker, a little bit softer throughout. And I think that makes for a really nice sort of piste focused all mountain ski for sort of improving skiers that want something strong.